Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video about another Lightroom tutorial and presets giveaway. Before we start, do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get my videos notifications whenever I upload it. Here is the before and after example of today's presets. DNG preset is protected by password. Here is the example, how you get the password from the video. Watch my videos on YouTube application, password will appear randomly in videos like this, in poll cards. Password is divided into two parts. Get the both password from the video, and go to the description. Now click the pass drop link, it will redirect you to the preset page. Now enter the both password together, to unlock the Lightroom preset DNG. After that click the DNG link to download it. Now click the three dots option, to export the DNG in Lightroom application directly. Now let's begin the tutorial.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Control this flame we started. You them out at night with my TV. Try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. I should stop before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You're the wildfire in my heart, yeah. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You're the wildfire in my heart, yeah.
I can't find my way back to you until you make amends with the demons you've been through. And I can't regret leaving you alone until you find your way back home. Find your way back home. Don't let me drown. 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 Don't let me drown